basic stuff like that, making this video because, you know what I'm saying, I've been seeing a lot of kids do it. They get 1,000 views just to make a slime. So yeah, all you need is the glue. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you need to stand up. Yeah, alright, so first thing you need is glue to make your slime. Just keep squeezing all of it out. Dang, that's a little bit. Should have got two. But yeah, you just keep on jabbing at it. Jab, 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 jab. Alright, that should be good. Alright, after that, you just add some water. The little kid that I was watching said the more water, the more slime you get. So, you know, after that, you just mix it up. I think that's too much damn water. So I think I just messed up. I might have to stop this video and go to the store. Let's see. Come on, man. Oh, no, I didn't mess up. After that, you add some soap. I mean, not soap, laundry detergent. Can't be wasting my mama's laundry detergent, so I'll just use a little bit. After that, you get to mixing, you know what I'm saying? Now I can know y'all see that thing getting a little thick, no homo. But yeah, look at that. Ooh, it's almost there, fam. I'm black and I need slime. Slapped. Ooh, and it's green. So now you just, ooh, gooey. So now you just do it like this, you know. Oh, I forgot to add the shaving cream. Tripping. That's the shaving cream right there. So now I'm just finna, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I'm turning into real slime. Slap. Dick no nothing. Ooh, give me that neck, boy. Give me that neck. So after this, I'm saying you just keep on going like this until it make that thick slime ball. Slap. Keep doing like this, you know what I'm saying? It's almost slime, I think. I'm just doing something that I seen a white kid do on YouTube. So if I ain't doing it right, just, you know what I'm saying, let me know. Dang, it's breaking up. Put some more of that. And some of this. Just the dab ranch. Come on, man, I need some more glue. Come on. This for a very important YouTube video. Alright, I may put some more up in there. Yeah, I'm finna mix it up some more. So I can be like, slap. Alright, now, there you go, the slime. And guess, oh, that's what they did. They took it off and put it like that. And then they just kept playing with it like it was a freak toy or something. And there you go, slime. Slap. Alright, so that's how you make the slime. That's how you make slime, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? That's how you make slime. Get this video to 1 million likes and 100 million views, and I'll tell y'all how to make slime without slime. Get it? Nah, but yeah. That's how you make slime, baby. And it smells good like soap. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, subscribe, tell your mama, tell your daddy, watch the video if they want to know how to make slime. Tell your teacher, if you're in the 2nd grade watching my videos, go to you, tell them to follow me on YouTube. And this how you make slime, baby. Slap.
Can't wait till I get rich so y'all can tell me that I'm selfish, but I got it by myself.